Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the trading table. I hope everyone had a great Monday to start off the week today. In this video, we're going to be looking at some of the biggest movers of the S&P 500, some stocks to watch, and more. All right, so jumping straight into it, we have the heat map here. See, the finance sector really did not do good today. Retail also not up there. A lot of red out here, with the exceptions of the chip stocks and also tech stocks were mostly green. Looking at SPY here, we can see not a lot of action, right? We did have a peak here at 531. We did have a pullback here down to the level of 529. It finished the day at 530.29 with a 0.12% increase since open. So not a lot going on with SPY today. I would really be expecting a little bit more, but what can you do? Looking at NVIDIA here, NVIDIA pre-earnings is doing exactly what I said it would, right, guys? It's up there over the weekend, just rising and rising and rising, and it's going to continue to do that. But if you do play NVIDIA earnings, which I suggest you don't do, just be careful because those options premiums are very, very expensive, right? I think I'll throw up on the screen right now. Their implied volatility today was like 101%. So the option premiums are going to be very, very, very expensive here with NVIDIA. Looking at Mara now, we can see Mara had an insane run today from this low at here at open all the way up to the high of day was over a 20% move, right? Mara finished 14% up on the day. And the reason for this was because Bitcoin here, if we go to Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin had a huge run today. So Mara follows Bitcoin to a correlation of this number right here. And so does Riot. It's Mara's little brother stock is what I like to call it. We were looking at Riot here. We did a short Riot up at this peak right here in our Discord. It was a great opportunity to make money. Unfortunately, we did not play the long on these just because they are very volatile, right? Riot tends to fluctuate a lot during the day, as you can see here. So not the best to day trade because they are very, very unpredictable. But if you know what you're doing, you can definitely make some money on this. And we did today in our free Discord. Link is in the description. Jumping over to gold now. I was talking about gold a few days ago. They are still, beating their all-time highs. They beat it again today. So gold definitely something to watch here these next couple of days because the dollar is currently weakening. So you can see the dollar's been on a little downtrend here from previously being pretty high up in May. So definitely something to watch because as the dollar goes down, gold will get more expensive. Gold will get bought more, so the stock price will go up. Jumping over to you now, Landon.
So to start off, I actually wanted to go over the play we had talked about on Friday, the SMH big money play. Yeah, congratulations to everybody that got in on this play. I mean, this SMH play had a crazy run, and it was evident because of the money that was being stacked up. So just congratulations to everyone that was able to get into that play.
Yeah, I mean, that
And then
contract jumped
yeah,
like what, 30, 40%. So,
oh
yeah.
yeah. All right, so then for our big money plays for today, our first one is for ticker symbol CART, at a strike price of 42. There's a total premium count of 616K, and it's a call with an expiration date of 1/16/2026. That is a very long-term play, but if the stock moves enough, you'll get profit like no matter the expiration date. And then for our next play, I really like this one because this one has a lot of money stacked up. It's for ticker symbol FSLR at a strike price of 220. It's a call option with an expiration of 9/20/2024. There's a total premium count of 1.15 million. Now that's a crazy amount with a total volume of 1.02K. I'm really loving that one because of the amount of money that's stacked up there. And then next we actually have two big money plays that are both puts. The first one is for PLTR at a strike price of 19 with an expiration date of 11/15/2024. There's a total premium count of 715K, and a total volume of 4K. And then lastly, there's a big money play for our favorite stock,
Oh yeah.
Riot. um, at a strike price of 10, with an expiration date of 1/17/2025. It's a put. There's a total premium count of 515K and total volume of 2.03K. I'm really loving these big money plays, and I guess it's evident with how they've been. Our big money plays have been working so far that if you follow the money, you'll get profit. Back to you, Andrew.
Oh yeah, 100%. If we go ahead and take a look at some of our old big money plays here. Firstly, we have BHP. We called about a week ago. BHP. Sorry, this is the Australian exchange one. We jump over to the New York exchange. BHP we called out. I believe, what day was it? Might have been. It might have been Friday. I believe it was either Friday or Thursday. We called it out, but nevertheless, Friday or Thursday, you get in, you were making money, right? Yeah, Friday had a nice rise. So BHP, the big money play was 62.5 strike. It was calls expiring July 19th, 2024 with 4.1 million premiums and 24,000 volume. Those printed very nicely. I'll throw up a picture on screen of the profits here that we took in our Discord today off of just one contract. Jumping over to earnings now, we can see that after close today, we have Zoom reporting. They haven't reported yet because we're filming this at around like 4:15. So Zoom, definitely something to watch. Tomorrow before open, we have Lowe's. That's about it for tomorrow. Not a lot I'm seeing here. Wednesday before not before open. Just on Wednesday, 10 a.m., existing home sales change, crude oil inventories, and an FOMC or a Fed meeting. A lot of Fed meetings this week. It's only shown one on our economic calendar. But in last video, I went over to another economic calendar, and it was showing a bunch, I think 15 Fed meetings this week. So definitely something to watch there. PDD reporting before open on Wednesday, and NVIDIA reporting after close. Big one here. Be sure to watch this. And if you can afford an options contract, right, they are insanely expensive like you saw earlier in the video, but if you can afford it, I mean, I would play the hype train, right? You got one more day of hype train, but definitely dump it. Do not play earnings, right? We got to practice safe trading. Medtronic on Thursday, Billy on Thursday as well. But other than that, that is all. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the trading table. This has been Andrew and Landon, and we hope you have a great rest of your evening.